Have you ever imagined a world where machines move and behave just like real animals? Today, that world is real. Engineers and scientists are creating robotic creatures that look almost alive, combining artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and incredible design inspired by nature itself. Spot can walk over rough ground, climb stairs, carry tools, and even dance. It uses powerful motors and special algorithms that help it adjust each step in real time, making it one of the fastest and most agile robots ever built. Thanks to its smart sensors and balance system, Spot can adapt to almost any environment. Researchers use it to study marine life without disturbing the animals. It's an incredible example of how robots can help us learn more about our planet. Weighing less than a paperclip, Robobi flaps its wings over 100 times per second. In the future, swarms of these miniature robots could help pollinate crops, monitor the environment, or even find people in disaster zones. If you enjoyed this look at the future of robotics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about AI, its automation, and the incredible machines shaping tomorrow. Which of these robotic creatures would you love to see in action? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching Automated Word. These machines are not only beautiful to watch, but they also inspire new ideas for how robots can move and interact with the world. It's already being used on construction sites and in search and rescue missions, where it is too dangerous for humans to go. In this video, we LSL explore some of the most amazing robotic animals that are changing how we think about technology. Let's start with Boston Dynamics' famous robot dog Spot. Next, meet the cheetah robot from MIT. This machine can run up to 28 miles per hour and jump over obstacles without slowing down. Then there's Robobi, a tiny flying robot created by Harvard University. Underwater, we have SoFi, a soft robotic fish developed by MIT. SoFi moves so naturally that real fish swim alongside it. And finally, companies like Festo have created entire collections of bionic animals, including robotic kangaroos, jellyfish, and penguins. As technology continues to advance, robotic animals will play an even bigger role in our lives, from helping with dangerous tasks to teaching us more about nature.